This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a twin turbocharged forced induction system, a sports suspension, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, big 20-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: air conditioning, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, steering wheel mounted gear shift, roof rails, side curtain airbags, and a navigation system. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Champion Ford Gulf Freeway is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 12227 Gulf Freeway in Houston.